Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America. And wow, President Donald Trump already got banging good news from the judge in his classified documents case against the federal government's prosecutor, Jack Smith. Before we get started, please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out. You guys do them so well, and we really appreciate it. So, they went to court, Jack Smith and the Trump attorneys, for a hearing. And at this hearing, Trump is arguing, hey, look, Trump's attorneys, Trump wasn't there, but his team is arguing, hey, look, let's move this case past the election because it's just not going to be fair. We can't get an impartial jury. We're not going to get a fair trial before the election. And their reasons are simple. Look, there's going to be a lot of mudslinging that's going on. Republican and Democrat attacks against Trump are going to be at an all-time high. They're going to be trying to beat him over the head with anything said or done in these cases. So it's going to affect both his trial, but also his time in the trial is going to be affected by the campaign. Furthermore, how can he possibly campaign while he's fighting for his life in like 4 different trials at the same time? That's their argument. The government comes back with their argument. Their argument is, hey, this is just a trial. We're not worried about a presidential election. And, we're going to make sure that, this gets tried just like anybody else would get tried. And there's no reason to postpone it. Well, it looks like Judge Eileen Cannon has agreed with Team Trump. Now, she has not given her official decision yet on a timetable. But she did say she thought that the timetable of starting this December was too aggressive. It was too soon to start the trial because the Trump team needs time to A, get the clearance to review classified documents, and B, needs time to then review those documents, get their own expert witnesses who can contradict the prosecution's expert witnesses. It's a whole process. Now, she also did slap them down when they asked that Trump and his co-defendant, Walt Nauta, that their teams and they not even be able to review classified documents before the start of the trial. And she slapped that down. She said, absolutely, they can review the documents. Look, discovery has to be fair. We understand very much that you want to put Trump in jail. We understand that you want to get this man as far away from the White House as humanly possible. You probably don't even want him to go on a White House tour. The ones where they leave cocaine. You don't want him to do that. You don't want him anywhere near the White House. We get it. We know what the whole point of this whole thing is. We understand it. We understand that you're willing to tear down democracy itself brick by brick to keep this one man out of the White House. We don't like it. We don't approve of it, but we get it. But it is ridiculous. It's the height of ridiculousness to claim that this trial is like any other trial, that this defendant is like any other defendant. And while justice is blind, well, where is the news on reporting everything that's going on with Hunter Biden? We'll get to that in tonight's video, by the way, because that is an absolute bombshell that should be on every news station, but for some reason it's not. For some reason you ignore all of it to focus on Donald Trump. Well, at Explain America, we are going to tell the people about it. We are going to let the people know what's going on. And they're going to share it, and they're going to share it because that's the only way we have to fight back. We can't trust the media anymore. We can't trust you to do your jobs. And when that ends, when the fourth estate just becomes the propaganda arm of one party, then you have failed your constitutional responsibility. We will pick it up. We will follow that. We will take that responsibility. Not just Explain America, but the people like us, the independent journalists like us. We will take up your job. We will do what you were charged with doing, what you were supposed to do, what you are obligated to do by the founding fathers of this country. We will do that job, and we will let the people know what's happening in this country, and we will let them know what's important and what is going on. And then they're going to spread the word because that's what the intention of our founding fathers was. So this judge is absolutely right in what she said, and this does have to be stopped. This is not like any other defendant, and everybody knows it. Folks, again, I'm Carmine Sabia. This is Explain America. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We love you guys. God bless you. Take care, everybody.